Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how I made $800 with ChatGPT by selling just one PDF file, and it is not an ebook. This is my Fiverr account, and here you can see order, and I was selling this for $5, and I actually made $800 by selling just one PDF file. And actually I was selling ChatGPT prompts. Now if you watch my videos regularly, you know that I keep telling you need to follow trends. Now at the beginning of this year, ChatGPT was a huge trend, but people didn't know how to use it. So I actually made a list of ChatGPT prompts, and I made a PDF file from that, and I was selling that PDF file here on Fiverr, and I made $800. But don't worry, you can still make money with these prompts, and also I'm going to show you how you can do that, and I'm going to give you some tips and advices, so stay with me till the end of the video. Now you can sell these prompts on Fiverr, so simply search here for ChatGPT, and here you will see people are actually selling these prompts, list of these prompts here on Fiverr, and they are making money. Also, when you go here on Etsy and when you search for ChatGPT, here you can see ChatGPT prompts, and here you can see people are selling prompts here on Etsy, and they are actually making good money. So for example, let me just open this one here so I can check it out. So when I go here and when I scroll here and click here on this store, I can see more information. So for example, here I can see this person actually made 2,900 sales. And here you can see this person is selling different kind of prompts. And they are selling from just $2 all the way to $15, $20. So I'm guessing that this person here, since the beginning of this year, actually made more than $20,000 selling different kind of prompts here on Etsy. Like I said, you can still make good money. So how do you actually make these prompts? Well, you can simply go here on ChatGPT and you can tell it to make you a prompt, okay? You can say something like this. For example, give me 20 ChatGPT prompts for writing SEO articles, and when you press enter, now ChatGPT will give you prompts for these articles, okay? Now, but here is the thing. These prompts are not precise, so what I would suggest you to actually improve all of these prompts here, because like I said, these prompts are not precise. You need better prompts, and you can create at least 50 prompts like this and make a PDF file, and you need to niche down. That is important because there is already a lots of people selling different kind of prompts, ChatGPT prompts, but that is why you need to niche down. For example, for logos, you need to create a list of prompts, ChatGPT prompts for creating logos, for example, and you need to make a list. Also, what you can do is you can simply go here on Google, for example, and you can search for ChatGPT Marketplace, for example, Marketplace. And when I click here, and then when I click here on ChatX, here I can find a lots of prompts. So for example, let me just take this one here so I can check it out. When I scroll here you can see this prompt. So let me just go back here so I can open another one. So for example, I will open this one here, and here you can see this is the prompt. And you cannot use this prompt in your own list because this is not your own prompt. You need to improve this prompt. Like I said, this is not your own prompt, but you can use it to improve it, and then you can use it as your own prompt. And here you can find a lots of prompts. And you can improve all of these prompts, and you can make a list of prompts, and you can also make a PDF file, and you can start selling that PDF file here on ChatX. Because this is also a marketplace, you can also sell it here on Etsy, you can also sell it here on Fiverr, and you can start making money. Like I said, all you have to do is just you need to take one of these prompts and you need to test it, you need to improve it. After you improve it, after you get better results, so you can just open another one. For example, this one here you can see this is the prompt. You need to improve it. For example, programming prompts work really well. People need programming from ChatGPT, but they don't know good prompts. So if you make a list of, for example, 100 programming prompts for ChatGPT, trust me, that will sell. People need those kind of prompts. You will make money. Also, this is a tip for you. If you list those prompts for $20 or $30, you probably won't make any sales. But if you list it for $2, $3, $5, you will make sales. because people don't want to spend that much money for something that they can do by themselves. But if it is cheap enough, then they will say, why would I bother making these prompts by myself so when I can pay just $2 and get a list of 100 prompts, programming prompts? Okay, and that is why you need to improve these prompts, and you need to set low price, and you can create a PDF file, and you can sell that PDF file, and you can make money online by selling ChatGPT prompts with just one PDF file. Simple, easy way to make money online in 2024, even as a beginner.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.